In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Disney Plus subscription using GCash. Before we begin, make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection and that your Disney Plus app is up to date. This helps the settings load correctly and makes the process smooth from start to finish. Start by opening Disney Plus. Once you're in, head to My Space. You'll usually find this on the bottom bar of the app. It's the place that houses your personal settings and profile options, so it's the right starting point whenever you need to manage anything about your account. Inside My Space, look for Help and Settings. This area groups together the tools you use to adjust how Disney Plus works for you. Tap it to open more detailed options. Next, select Account Settings. Think of this as the control center for your subscription. It's where you can see your plan, your billing method, and other important details tied to your membership. If your subscription was set up using GCash, you'll see the option to cancel right here. Simply tap Cancel. From this point on, follow the prompts that appear on your screen. Disney Plus will guide you step by step, usually asking you to confirm that you want to cancel and showing a quick summary of what happens next. Read each message carefully so you understand when your access will end. In most cases, you'll keep streaming until the end of your current billing period, and then the membership will stop, preventing future charges. A couple of helpful reminders as you go. Make sure you are on the correct account or profile associated with the GCash subscription, especially if multiple people use the same device. If anything looks unfamiliar, pause and double-check that you're in account settings, not just general app settings. Also, don't worry if the layout looks slightly different depending on your device. The options are the same, even if the buttons look a little different. After you confirm the cancellation on screen, you should see a confirmation message. Keep an eye out for any notice about your final access date so you know exactly when your subscription will end. You don't need to uninstall the app to complete this process. The cancellation you just confirmed takes care of billing going forward. And that's it. By opening Disney Plus, going to My Space, tapping Help and Settings, choosing Account Settings, and selecting Cancel for your GCash subscription, you've successfully managed your membership in just a few taps.